Alright, so hey guys, my name is Staci and this is going to be a video on my first PR package. Okay, so I do hair. Just a little background on myself. I do hair. I'm a hairstylist. My Instagram name is King Staci, STACI _. And then my personal page is I am Staci _. Anyways, skincare brand reached out to me and was just like, hey, I want to send out a PR package to local influencers, and they picked me, which I'm really excited about. I guess it's like a new skincare brand. It has about 332,000 followers on Instagram. It's called Good Molecules, and let's just get into the unboxing of my first PR package.
So, here is the box. Cute, I guess, little. It's not bad.
This is how the inside looks. Card in here, if you guys can see this. See a difference in your skin. And then it's just basically saying how they keep the price low. Just so you can see a difference in your skin. They don't hide the ingredients and make good effective skincare. And then it said enjoy nails, co-founder. So this is the little card I got. And then here you can see, I guess it has like its ingredients on there. Yeah. So they said that they would send me the 3 of the best products on the. Alright, so the first little product they sent me is Clarify and Cleanse Bar. This is the box. Let me see. It says use AM and PM. And then on the front it says soap-free cleansing bar formulated with white willow bark extract, colon clay, cocoa powder to help maintain a clear complexion for acne-prone skin. This is what it looks like. And they sent me this. And this is the Discoloration Correcting Serum, which I have discoloration. So I'm really excited about this. It's formulated with please do not get on me about butchering these words, but anyway, it's just a whole bunch of words to target discoloration, promote even skin. And then on the side it says Terraceutic TX Vector, and then it breaks down the actual science word. It is the first kind of anti-aging depigmentation active to help achieve naturally even skin tone by delivering tranexamic acid into deeper layers of the skin.
It says the fine clean skin allows fully absorb before applying serum, facial oils, and moisturizer suitable for daily use.
And then it has, it's for AM and PM, and then the pH is 5.5. And then the pH on this bar is 5.5 between 6.5. And then it says free from parabens and sulfates. And then on this side, here they say about the nothing to hide ingredients. It says water, glycerin, just a whole bunch of stuff. Kind of just breaks it down. Never been tested on animals. It's a pretty big bottle. Oh, it's really, there it is. Alright, so you can see. And last, they sent me a brightening NIACINAMIDE. I need to Google these words to figure out how you say this. Y'all ain't about to roast me, so I don't know. This is my first time making this video, so yeah. Let's see how to say it.
Niacinamide.
Niacinamide. That's what it's called.
Niacinamide brightening toner. Formulated with niacinamide, vitamin C, arbutin, and licorice root extract to brighten and improve appearance of enlarged pores.
So this is the box here. Here is the ingredients. Then this says dispense on a cotton pad and gently sweep over clean skin. Also be dispensed into palms and pat it into skin until fully absorbed. Suitable for daily use. Has AM and PM and the pH is 6.4. And here, so this is how it comes. I can't smell it. The toner really doesn't have a smell. Let me see if this has a smell. Drops. I don't know, it really doesn't have a smell either. I probably should take the plastic off. Okay, the bar soap, the smell is not, I mean, it's skincare, I guess. So those are the items that they sent me, which I'm really excited to use because I have not really been like just taking the best care of my skin, and I need to because I feel like my skin is not as clear as it used to be. I'm starting to have pigment, like hyperpigmentation, like my dark spots are starting to come back. I actually burnt my face on the 4th of July and that scar is not gone away. And so I'm really excited to use these products, just so you guys can see my skin for real. Like a few dark spots. This is what my skin looks like. I am going to be using these tonight. I'm going to be giving you guys an update once I finish using them. Alright, thank you. And make sure you like, subscribe, and press the